On the video whereby I was talking about preparing for the birth of your kid, there's somewhere I mentioned that you should have a delivery bag by the time you click 30 weeks. You should not wait until the day now labor kicks in. Now you start rushing and plan and arranging that delivery bag, since you will forget some items. You will forget some essential items. Also during that time you will not be comfortable because you will be feeling a lot of pain, so you will not be comfortable arranging that bag. So in this video I'm going to talk about the things that should be included in the delivery bag.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
So the first thing that you should include in your delivery bag should be your own clothing. You should have loose clothes. A good example of a loose cloth is the dera. You should have a dress, and this dress should be flabby, should be easy to be worn, and should also be easy to be removed. Remember that time before you deliver your kid, sometimes you can stay to a maximum of 2 days before you deliver your child in the hospital. So you should have some clothes which you should wear during that time. When you go to the labor room, on the labor bed, the place where you lie during labor and delivery, when the nurses or the midwives are examining you, you should have a cloth which you can easily wear it and remove it. You should not have tight clothes. You should not wear trousers, because it will be hard for you removing the trousers. Then you cannot keep on removing the trousers, wearing them, removing, wearing them. It will be wasting a lot of time. In addition to that, you can have a lasso. We call it lasso. I don't know how we call it in English. You can have a lasso. A lasso is something like a towel, something that you can cover yourself, because that time during before labor, you will not be wearing your innerwear and you will be wearing your flabby dress, or yes, your dera. Having your lasso, tying it around your waist is important. Also, the lasso is important also because it helps you prevent the spillage of blood to your clothes during childbirth. Because a lasso is something that you can wash or something you can throw away. It will be easier having your lasso during that moment, so that you can wipe the blood which might spill. In addition to that, when you go to bath after delivery of your kid, the lasso can be used to wipe your body. You can wipe yourself using the lasso or the towel. On the other hand, even after delivery of your child, you need to continue wearing loose clothing. You should have two of them. One you wear it before childbirth, the other one you wear it after the delivery of your kid. Or number 2, you should pack important documents. The most important document that you will pack in the delivery bag should be the ANC booklet, the antenatal booklet, because the antenatal booklet contains a lot of information about you. When you just enter the hospital, the first thing they will ask you is the ANC booklet, because the ANC booklet contains a lot of history about you and the progress of your pregnancy. So instead of them asking you many questions, many questions, just giving them the ANC booklet will give them almost 90% of the information that the midwives require. In addition to that, you should carry around your ID. Remember we live in Kenya, anything can happen, so carry around your ID in that bag. Also carry your insurance card. Ensure you have your Linda Mama in place in case you are living in Kenya. Ensure your National Health Insurance Service card is present in that bag. So here you should have your ID, your NC booklet, your Linda Mama, your insurance card, and also remember to have some money, because anything can happen. You can buy some things in the hospital, or you can be required to pay for some extra services. For number 3, the third thing you should pack are toiletries. Toiletries are essential items which you can move around with them, which you should move around with them, especially when you are going to a new place. This include your toothpaste, toothbrush, don't forget the cotton which I mentioned earlier, toilet paper and shampoo. In case you will be delivering in a private hospital, you can carry your shampoo, whereby you can be able to clean your hair during your stay in the hospital. Number 4, pack the baby's essential items. Pack the baby's clothes which you purchased. Pack baby diapers, baby wipes, the things that will be used by the baby. Don't forget to carry the baby's towel. Baby towel, or we call it baby shawl. Baby shawl, the lesson will be used in a situation whereby they have delivered your baby. Now they need to put the baby somewhere. They just can't put him anywhere. You will need something that should carry the baby. Even if they are placing the baby on a heater while you go to bath, they must put the baby somewhere. So they will require you to have a towel or somewhere they can place the baby. This baby towel or the baby's lasso, I said should not have a strong scent and should not have rough edges. That's why mostly you are advised to use an old or a used towel, because used towels do not have strong scents, do not have rough edges, and they can also conserve heat. So those are the things you need to include in your package, in your bag. Number 5 is on entertainment. Yes, entertainment. After delivering your baby, it is a requirement for you to remain in the hospital for at least 24 hours. It is a requirement by the World Health Organization for you to remain in the hospital setting for at least 24 hours. So during this time, ensure that you have some form of entertainment. At least that's something that can help you push time. So carry some newspapers, some magazines, carry your phone, and ensure you have a lot of bundles. Ensure you have purchased bundles so that you can scroll through TikTok, YouTube. Also, don't forget to carry your charger. Don't forget to carry your charger. Don't forget to carry your charger, because you'll have your phone which you'll use to entertain yourself, and also you'll need to share the nice moments with your family members or with your friends. So don't be disappointed by lack of having a charger. So finally, do not forget to carry some drinks and some snacks. I've said that you can stay in the hospital for some few more days. When you are given birth, normally you'll have to stay in the hospital for at least 24 hours. But when you are underwent a cesarean section, you will have to stay in the hospital for a minimum of 3 days. Sometimes your labor can be prolonged. Your labor can take 24 hours before you deliver the child. So having some snacks can keep you energized during that moment.